How to fix numeric pad not working in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Press the number lock key. By default, the numeric pad on physical keyboards may be deactivated. When you press keys in the numeric pad, they will behave as if you are using the tab key. Running the keyboard troubleshooter can be a helpful tool in resolving issues with keyboard malfunctions, such as numeric pad problems. The troubleshooter is intended to automatically diagnose and resolve various keyboard-related issues. Go to the right panel and right-click on the value initial keyboard indicators, then select Modify. Enter the value data of 2 and click on OK.